In this spoken English 30 days challenge, day 3. Here also we have 10 sentences. Let's translate them into English. Okay, the first one. మీరు జీవనోపాధి కోసం ఏమి చేస్తారు? What do you do for a living? నేను అనారోగ్యంతో ఉన్నాను. I am feeling under the weather. I am feeling under the weather. మీ విజయానికి అభినందనలు. Congratulations on your success. Congratulations on your success. మీ వారాంతరం ఎలా ఉంది? మీ వారాంతం ఎలా ఉంది? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? మీరు నాకు సహాయం చేయగలరా? Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? Which means you are not asking a hand, you are asking a helping hand. Okay, we also can say like this. Can you help me? That is normal way. Here I am giving in some modern way. Can you give me a hand? Which means can you give me a helping hand? Okay, next. తినడానికి ఏదైనా పట్టుకుందామా? Let's grab a bite to eat. Let's grab a bite. Sorry. Let's grab a bite to eat. మీతో కలిసి పనిచేయడం ఆనందంగా ఉంది. It's a pleasure to work with you. It's a pleasure to work with you. ఈ రాత్రికి మీకు ఏమైనా ప్రణాళికలు ఉన్నాయా? Do you have any plans for tonight? Do you have any plans for tonight? నేను వారాంతం కోసం ఎదురు చూస్తున్నాను. I am looking forward to the weekend. I am looking forward to the weekend. సురక్షితమైన ప్రయాణం. If someone is going to traveling, means if someone going traveling, just we can say have a nice day, have a safe trip, like that. Have a safe trip. Okay, thank you friends. Let's meet in the next session, day 4.